Welcome to another sun-drenched adventure. You are watching Watch More, and today, we are taking you to the heart of the Polish Riviera. This is Sopot, the most famous beach in Poland. Look at that golden sand and the crystal-clear Baltic blue. It is a perfect summer day here, and the beach is absolutely buzzing with energy. As we walk along the shoreline, you can see people from all over the world soaking up the sun. From the stylish summer fashion to the beautiful girls enjoying the Mediterranean-style vibes, Sopot is truly the place to be. The atmosphere here is a mix of luxury and pure relaxation. To our left, you'll see the iconic Sopot Pier, the longest wooden pier in Europe stretching out into the sea. If you're loving these summer vibes as much as I am, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button right now. By joining the Watch More community, you'll never miss our global walking tours. Also, I want to hear from you. Have you ever visited Poland, or is it on your bucket list? Drop a comment below and let me know. What makes Sopot so special is this unique blend of history and modern beach life. Whether it's the grand hotels in the background or the vibrant beach bars, there is something here for every traveler. For my international viewers and my friends watching from India, Sopot is a hidden gem in Europe that you absolutely have to experience at least once. As the sun continues to shine on this beautiful stretch of coast, our tour is just getting started. I'm going to step back now and let the scenery speak for itself. Sit back, relax, and watch the video until the very end. You're about to hear the natural, soothing sounds of the waves and the vibrant atmosphere of Sopot Beach. Thanks for watching Watch More. I'll see you in the next one. Now, enjoy the sounds of summer.
Nie?